All right, guys, looking at today, we've got a lot of tricep development. We're going to hit it a couple different ways. We've got the bench press to start with strength at 4x4, then 21-15-9 of dumbbell bench press and chest to bar pull-ups. Those chest to bar pull-ups, obviously, we want to work on those from one of our pre-test workouts. We want to make sure that we're still keeping those in the rotation. We're trying to string bigger sets of those together, specifically on our round of 21. Then say if we're always doing threes, let's try to do 5, 6s. Same kind of mentality we had yesterday on those toes to bar and wall balls. It's a quick workout. It's going to be short. So we want to try to stress that muscular endurance, especially in those early rounds today, and see if we can't make some gains in that department. Goal times today are going to be anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. And we really want to try to sneak this one under that 10-minute mark. So 9 minutes is really a goal that we want to hit. Let's make 10 minutes that cap. Now we do have some heavier weights there for the dumbbells at 70s and 50s for the ladies. If you don't think you can do at least 15 reps unbroken with those weights, I want you to drop or decrease the load. That doesn't mean you have to drop down to 50 if you're men or 35 if you're ladies. If we can just drop down by 5 or 10 pounds instead of making big drops, then I want you to do that instead of making those big 20-pound jumps back to what would be considered a standard dumbbell for a CrossFit class. We're finishing with the weighted dip. We've gone back up to 8 reps for today. 3 sets, try to increase the load compared to the last time we did sets of 8. And a lot of this tricep arm building that we're seeing for today, I'm really thinking about those dips in Elizabeth and obviously those chest to bar pull-ups we talked about earlier in our open repeat workout. But that's what we're really looking to develop, and where this day's worth of training is kind of gearing or steering us towards is getting better at that dip, specifically the ring dip. So gaining some strength in our triceps, gaining strength in overall pressing in different planes and in different ways. So that's a little bit of the focus for today's training program. That's it for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow.